Hey my pretties, welcome back. I just walked inside of the Dollar Tree and they have these up in the front. So they've restocked the Hershey's cookies and cream and the cinnamon roll. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around and see what we can find for the day. Not sure why these are already 50 cents. But yeah, those are 50 cents. They have the tacky glue, more of their Easter stuff. So over here in the kids section, Movie Madness trivia game. I've never seen this before. Play head to head or work in teams. Hundreds of movie trivia. True or false, Chris Pratt played Captain America in the Avengers. Okay, so you have that one, and then I also see this one. Either this or that. Let's see, either have overly large hands or have very small feet. Okay, so here's some more of the Zoops right here. I only see the two. They have a letter rip sound machine. Pull tab on the back. Okay, so you have to pull the tab. Oh, no, it's making a noise. The sound is real low. You can't really hear it, but they have different colors. Then look at this. Star Wars Princess Leia. Hot Wheels Race and Crash. That looks fun. I only see her. And then look at these. They have the large orbs balls. The orbs, what is that called? Oddities. And I remember when these came out in Walmart. And this is the real big one. So that's kind of cool. I see blue, the green one, and the pink and purple. Down here you have some Jurassic World mini action dinos, so blind bags. There's a bunch of them. They have lots of these right here. These would actually be a good gift to put with the Valentine's Day stickers. You know how the kids are about to have their little parties and stuff. You can give them these and let them cut squares to put in the Valentine's Day cards. So you get 9 rolls. That's $175. I see PJ Masks and I see Incredibles. Here's some new list pads. Look at that. A little donut. I see the sun. And the rainbow. Okay, they still have the 3-pack of lemons. I only saw these the last time I found them, but I didn't know they had limes. So that's a good deal. You're getting 3 for $1. Get your fragrance fix detergent gel pods. Oh, okay. This is for 10 loads. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So you know how they normally have that one. The Spring Magic, it says scent booster technology, 40 fluid ounces. It's 25 plus 15, or you can pick this one. So it just depends on what you want to use. I think that's funny. Home is where the shower is. Okay. That's a hand towel. Here's some new bath mitts or bath puppets for the kids. I see a cow and the tiger. I think those are the only 2 I see. There's the facial gel hydrator in cucumber and aloe, the paper mask, the wipes, bath soaks, the French lavender and citrus, and then they have the watermelon and aloe. Watermelon and aloe bath bombs. And most of the stuff is here. There's the body wash. They have wave caps. Okay, that's a good find for $1. A do-rag or a tie rag, it says. Not bad. And here's a few new cups. This style right here. That's pretty. I see burgundy, the black, and then they have a blue back there. I also see this one. Or you could say my cat, and then look at that one. It says check me out. They put out their St. Patrick's Day socks. Look at that. A little Scotty dog with the headband. Super cute. They have the leprechaun. No, they don't. A truck full of 4-leaf clovers. It says full of luck. That's cute. Happy St. Patrick's Day. This one has a cat. It says I'm lucky. What is this one? A unicorn. that says leprechaun. And I see this bear down here holding a pot of gold. And this little guy. And down here there's the ones that are real soft. A little dog. I like the truck though. Oh, is that a llama? I almost missed the llama. The llama, and he has a clover hanging out of his mouth. Here's their spring stationery set. You have that one with the notes. Looks like rose gold foil on it. This small list pad. They have the journal that says live life in full bloom. That's pretty. And the notepad right here. Oh, here's some pretty notebooks. I'm loving that neon look to them with the black background. I believe it's just line paper. Not too sure, but I see that ice cream. This one with the cloud and the rainbow. You have a mermaid. This one says be free. Love those colors. Here's some feathers. And this cute unicorn. And look at this Shopkins Stamp 4-piece set. Let me pull that off. I like the little pictures on there. Really cute. So you get the ink pad and then you get the 3 stamps. And then the only other one I see over here is Frozen. And they have them over here by the craft section just hanging on a clip strip. But this one is really cute. Here's some more of the Dr. Seuss that I just recently showed you guys. The pencil sharpeners. They have the different ones. Hopefully you guys watched that video. Here's the Pond's Clear Solution Facial Foam. 1.7 fluid ounces. And they've added some Disney Villains bags. Look at that. Maleficent. Kind of cool. It has the Disney tag. What else is back here? Avengers. Despicable Me. And then you have the Disney princesses. Down here you have Star Wars. Mickey and Minnie. And that tag also says Disney. These things always fall off whenever you touch them. I like that picture though. You have Lion King. Spider-Man. And then another Star Wars down here. But I do like that Maleficent bag. And they also brought back the drumstick mint and chocolate cereal. I actually like these. I don't know. I can't remember if my kids liked them or not, but I like them. They taste like mint and chocolate chip, but I prefer to eat them without milk, like a big old kid. They have the wheat checks. Okay, you guys, that is it for today in this Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you real soon in another video. Okay, bye.